Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about output devices. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Some of the output devices are visual display unit (VDU), that is a monitor, printer, graphics, output devices, plotters and speakers. Objectives. So today's class we have to discuss display devices, printers and types, speakers, headphones, and earbuds, and also the other output devices. What is output device? An output device is any peripheral that receives data from a computer, usually for display, projection, or physical reproduction. Monitors and printers are two of the most commonly used output devices used with a computer. So, output device is any hardware component that can convey information to one or more. The display devices. Display devices, short for visual display unit, VDU, is an older British term used to describe any device used with computers to display text and images. For example, a flat panel display and a projector are both examples of VDUs. A VDU consists of a display device. It's an output device that visually conveys text, graphics, and video information. The information on display devices is sometimes called soft copy. Example, monitor. LCD monitor. Liquid crystal display. A flat panel screen that uses the liquid crystal display LCD technology and connects to a computer. Laptops have used LCD screen almost exclusively, and the LCD monitor is the standard display screen for desktop computers. It uses liquid crystal display, has a small footprint. Mobile devices that contains LCD display include notebook computer, tablet, PC, ultra personal computer, portable media player, smartphone, and PDA. Some examples of display devices have been given. Resolution. The resolution refers to the sharpness and clarity of an image. The term is most often used to describe monitors, printers, and bitmapped graphics images. This means it can print 90,000 dots per square inch. For graphics monitors, the screen resolution signifies the number of dots, that is, pixels, on the entire screen. So, what is resolution? Number of horizontal and vertical pixels in a display device. Sharpness and clarity of image. Higher resolution makes image sharper, displays more text on screen, makes some elements smaller. Plasma monitor. A plasma display is a computer video display in which each pixel on the screen is illuminated by a tiny bit of plasma or charged gas, somewhat like a tiny neon light. Plasma displays are thinner than cathode ray tube (CRT) displays and brighter than liquid crystal displays. It displays image by applying voltage to layer of gas, larger screen size and richer color than LCD, but are more expensive. CRT monitors contains cathode ray tube screen coated with the tiny dots of phosphor material. Each dot consists of a red, blue, and a green phosphor. The common sizes are 15, 17, 19, 21, and 22 inches. Viewable size is diagonal, measurement of actual viewing area. Printers is an output device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfers the information to paper, usually standard size sheets of paper. The printers vary in size, speed, sophistication, and cost. The output device that produces text and graphics on a physical medium. The result is hard copy or printout. Two orientations. That's portrait and landscape. What is non-impact printers? The computer definition: a printer that prints without bagging a ribbon onto paper. Laser, LED, inkjet, solid ink, thermal bags, transfer, and dye sublimation printers are examples of non-impact printers. It forms characters and graphics without striking paper. Inkjet printer sprays tiny drops of liquid ink onto paper, prints it black and white or color and a variety of paper types. Printer resolution. In terms of print, is a measure of the number of dots that a device can put in 1 square inch of a page space. The print resolution is referred by a horizontal and vertical measurement. So, what is a good printer resolution? The maximum resolution means DPI, expansion dot per inch. So, when would a higher DPI matter? Average inkjet printers today usually have a resolution of 1200 into 1440 dot per inch. This is a good enough resolution. If you are not going to be printing photos larger than 5 into 7 inches, so the resolution increases sharpness and clarity measured by number of dots per inch DPI the printer can output. So the resolution and the dot per inch DPI is given in the following picture. How does inkjet printer works? Step 1. A small resistor heats the ink, causing the ink to boil and form a vapor bubble. The second step, the vapor bubble forces the ink through the nozzles and the cartridge. Third step, the ink drops onto the paper. Fourth step, as the vapor bubble collapses, fresh ink is drawn into the firing chamber. What is a photo printer? Color printer that produces photo lab quality pictures. Many photo printers have a built-in card slot. The bridge is a standard technology that allows you to print pictures directly from a digital camera. So the photo printer is a color printer that produces photo lab quality. What's a laser printer? A laser printer is a high speed, high quality, non impact printer which prints text and graphics in high quality resolution ranging from 1200 to 2400 dots per inch. Typically, the cost more than inkjet printer but is much faster. What's a thermal printer? It generates images by pushing electronically heated pins against heat sensitive paper, dye sublimation paper, also called a digital photo paper, uses heat to transfer dye to special coated paper. What is a mobile printer? It's a small, lightweight battery powered printer that allows mobile user to print from notebook computer, tablet PC, PDA or smartphone while traveling. Printers, that is, what are the label printers and the postage printers? Small printer that prints on adhesive type material. Most also print barcodes. Postage printer has built-in digital scale and prints postage stamps. What's a plotter? Plotter is a computer hardware device, much like a printer, that is used for printing vector graphics instead of toner. The plotters use a pen, pencil, marker, or another writing tool to draw multiple continuous lines onto paper rather than a series of dots like a traditional printer. It's a sophisticated printer used to produce high quality drawings. Large format printer to create a photorealistic quality color printers. Generally, these plotters are used in engineering, construction companies. What is a dot matrix printer? It is an impact printer that produces printed images when tiny wire pins strike a ribbon. Impact printer forms characters by striking mechanism against inked ribbon that contacts paper. Impact printer forms characters by striking mechanism against inked ribbon that contact paper. What is a line printer? High speed impact printer that prints entire line at a time. The speed measured in line per minute. LPM. Band printer prints fully formed characters using a hammed mechanism. The shuttle matrix printer is high speed printer that works like dot matrix printer. The dot matrix speakers, headphone and earphones. What is an audio output device? The computer component that produces music, speech, or other sounds. The speakers and headsets are common devices. So, what is a fax email? That is a fax machine. Other output devices. A fax machine is designed to both send and receive documents. So, it has a sending part and a receiving part. The sending part is a bit like a computer scanner with a CCD charged coupled device that scans only one line of a document at a time and only in black and white. A fax machine is a device that is used to send documents electronically over a telephone network. The transmission it sends are called faxes, and these can be between two fax machines or between a fax machines and a computer or online fax service that is equipped to send and receive faxes. The device that transmits and receives documents over telephone line converts an original document into digitized image. Many computers include this fax capability. Other output devices. um, what is a malfunctional peripheral devices? The malfunctional peripheral device is a device that performs a variety of functions that would otherwise be carried out by separate peripheral devices. As a rule, a malfunction peripheral includes at least two of the following: a printer, a scanner, a copier. A malfunctional device or MFD is typically the printing device is most offices but is referred to as a printer or a photocopier. These machines incorporate scanning, copying, and printing as a minimum into a single device. Some can also be used for emailing and faxing. It provides functionality of printer, scanner, copy machine, and fax machine. Thank you.